Hi, I'm Matt Willis with the COVID-19 response update for May 6th. We've received a lot of questions about Marin's response to the governor's announcement about resuming certain retail activities starting this Friday. Here's our response. In Marin, our goal is to open safely and thoughtfully based on our local experience as the pandemic evolves. We'll not be making changes to our local order to allow for curbside retail this week. But in keeping with other Bay Area counties, we will be planning towards opening these activities on Monday, May 18th. I've been working with the regional health officers of Santa Clara, San Mateo, San Francisco, Contra Costa, and Alameda County, and we agreed to take this step together. So why wait a week? First, the governor has said he'll release guidelines Thursday for how curbside business can open safely Friday. We think it'll take a little time to first understand and then implement these guidelines in every setting to protect both the safety of staff and clients. The Marin Recovers Retail Task Force will be prioritizing this process over the next week. We also need to make sure the childcare is available for the workforce that will be newly mobilized under this order. And we're working with our childcare providers to get them back online to meet this demand. They'll be following the same model of the 10 to 12 kids gathered in stable groups with the same adults and need to register kids and prepare their settings. Our cities and towns with main streets with many small businesses also need time to develop plans for the safe flow of traffic if most commerce is conducted now at the curbside. Questions regarding parking and drive-through pickup lanes need to be answered. Cities and town traffic managers are planning this, so we don't create additional health hazards from traffic safety as we open up. Finally, remember we've already made changes to the original shelter in place just this Monday, May 4th, opening up recreational activities, construction, outdoor businesses, landscaping, and real estate. This offers a glimpse into the way this process will unfold over the next few months, and the cadence we'll hope to follow. Once we meet criteria to move forward, again, not seeing surges in cases, we have testing capacity, we can do contact tracing of all cases, our hospitals are prepared for surge, we have the monitoring system in place, and that you, our community members, and our businesses have the tools we need to move forward safely. Then we can take the next step. The incubation period for COVID-19 is 2 weeks, meaning that with any change that might lead to more infections across the community, it takes at least that long to see the effects in our monitoring system. So we will continue to monitor very closely as we take these steps forward. As we enter the process of sequential reopening, it's vital that we remain vigilant about social distancing, covering our face, and washing our hands. Again, we're making progress, but the most challenging work is ahead of us. We've already shown how effective we are when we join forces. Let's continue to move forward together. We welcome your feedback or suggestions for future topics for these updates. There's always lots to cover. Thank you, stay home, and stay healthy.